Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to make the text animation using Adobe Animate. So I am going to open up the Adobe Animate. So we have to select on the this one, character animation full screen. Okay, so you can according to the your purpose you will be able to create. Okay, so we have to go to the web banner your creation. You have to select as web banner. Okay, so you have to create the various devices you will be able to select it, right? So I'm going to select as a character animation. You have to select that, and actions tree frame that you have to select as 12. That is a professional one. Click on it to create. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, okay, this should be our screen. So this screen I'm going to make it as a character text animation. So hold on the control key down and mouse wheel to scroll the mouse wheel. You can adjust the frame size look like this. So this is the frame one. I'm going to click on the text, type it over here. Here we have to type first we have to type here as uh, Java programming, software developer, software developer. Right. This is the our animation. Software developer as animations. Okay. So you will be able to see the software animation animator. Right. So you have to this text animation. You can see here. This first frame I'm going to give here as a software developer. So this frame I'm going to make it as a right click. You have to make it as this one. As a click on here, make it here as convert to symbol. You have to make it as graphics. You have text one, right? So text one. So after that, select the frame number 10. Right click and keyframe. This keyframe, and what I'm going to do is here this one. I'm going to go to that color. Click on it. Go to that properties. Here you have to color effect. We have to select as a tint. You have to change the color whatever you need. I need this color. So for starting point is this color is changed here. After that color, second, third color is a 15th frame. We have to make this color. Here you have to select here. Color I'm going to select as. Every 10 frame I'm going to change the color. Here we have to change the color here as something this color. Okay, here 30 frame I'm going to give the different color. So you can see the text animation. Right click and create shape tune, create classic tune, create classic tune. Now let's run the animation and check. Hold on the control key down and press enter key. Here your animation is working perfectly well. It is smoothly working. This is kind of a text animation. Okay, this is a kind of a text animation. It's very easy stuff to do the text animation. Okay, very simple. Okay, so that's a simple one. We have to make it as Adobe Animate text animations, right? Text animation we have a very professional way to do it at here. Very simple. Okay, so let's simple. Right, so now what I'm going to do is we have to make the text animation simple way. This is how we have to do the text animations, right? So so we will be see here this animation is should be do it. Okay, so here at the 14th frame I'm going to little bit this animation I'm going to expand it. Here I'm going to do it here. This is the here I'm going to 14th frame. I'm going to select the color effect. You have to select as a alpha mode. Here you have the alpha mode. We have to make it as a here I'm going to set the alpha mode. Tint also I'm going to make it as alpha mode 0. Here make it as 100 because that's one should be here. It's coming here smoothly. It will be size should be here. Again it will be coming here. If you right click and classic theme, here you can see here it is smoothly here, simply here it will be coming. Okay, so that's what That's what we need. Okay, so here it is coming. After that, what I'm going to do is, if you want to make second one at the 45 frame, simply keyframe. This keyframe, what I'm going to do is, here this one, I want to moving to here. Simply speed. I mean here speed it's moving. So you can see here classic tune. Here it's still light red. Here right it's moving to here. Okay, it's moving here. So you have to write that. So click on it. You have to write that easy out. Here write easy in. Click on it. Something. Okay. You have to give the effect. So you can see here now. Here. Now you can see Sunny. Just check it. How the thing is works. It's perfect. Now here this one should be the time should be. You can increase the size little bit. It will be working fine. Right now it's working fine. So the simple animation we can make it very professional way. We can implement these animations. Okay, this animation works. If you're an animator, these are the things we have to keep on know. This all things how to make the animations, text animations and all. It is using Flash, right? So I hope you guys will understood the things well, right? So here another important stuff. Here you have to make the animation. First you have to write the text. After that, what I'm going to do is, after that, what I did here is we have to make as select here, make it as graphics. After that, what I'm going to do is first frame this color, second frame what you are going to do, just select this text. You have to go to the properties and change the respective color. Okay, that's the thing here. Whereas the color strips here, color effect, you can select this all the options what you have. Okay, very simply you have to make the animation. Very simple. You have to click on it and you have to make the things. Okay, right, the simple way we have to make it as the things. Okay, so here it's very simple, right? Okay, so you will be able to make whatever you need, brightness, tint, advanced. Yeah, advanced option is also there. Here you have to adjust the color as well. Okay, so here this one. Okay, so the color effect, click on it, you will be able to do the things, right? So that there are plenty of options are there, you can have it. Okay, these are things you have to do it, right? So you have to do these are things. Okay, so that's how we have to learn. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, love me. Thank you for watching.